Show you some moves. Japo style. I'll show you some moves. I'll show you some. Right round. I'll show you. 3 kicks. Did you see that? Japo style. It's good for the body. Let's just breathe in, breathe in. And we'll just increase it down a bit. Here. That's what Van Damme does. It's good for the body. Right down. Tall. Then bring it back up. It's good for the body. You know how good that is. It's good for the thighs as well. Stick some kind of jog in. Trap it right in so your legs goes out. Look how strong that is. Look how strong it is. Just right into you. That's what you call my culture. That's how I do Ford. You want to see Ford? That's how I done Ford. I showed you Ford there. You mess about with a big man. The big man will come and get you. The Jappy style. I'll show you the pikey style. I'll fight you for a 5 and I'll kill you for a 10. How's that? Japo style. Never mess about with the Japos. You never mess about with Fords. And plus, you never mess about with Terrace Lager as well. That's the whole idea of my culture. Thanks for watching.